In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects in Google Slides. This process can significantly enhance your workflow and help you organize your presentations more effectively. First, head over to Google Slides and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your home screen where you can start a new presentation or choose a template. For this tutorial, a blank presentation works perfectly. Once your presentation is open, it's time to start working with objects. An object in Google Slides could be a shape, text box, image, or any graphic element. Click on the object you want to select. To select multiple objects, hold down the Shift key while clicking each one. After selecting your objects, right-click to open the context menu and choose Group. Grouping links the selected objects so they move and transform as a single entity. This is especially helpful when you want to maintain a specific layout while editing your slides, saving time and keeping your presentation looking polished and cohesive. If you ever need to ungroup the objects, simply select the grouped item, right-click, and choose Ungroup. This separates the objects so you can edit them individually again. By following these steps, you can efficiently group and ungroup objects, giving you more control and flexibility over your slide design. This feature is invaluable for handling complex slides and ensuring all your elements stay organized. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.